PC cases with tempered glass are essential for showcasing components, enhancing airflow, providing durability, and offering stylish, modern aesthetics for setups. My today's video is about top 5 best tempered glass PC cases that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair tempered glass PC cases, the 3500X tempered glass PC case combines striking aesthetics with high-performance functionality, making it an excellent choice for both builders and gamers. Its wraparound tempered glass panels offer a full view of your components, allowing for a showcase quality setup without compromising accessibility. Both the front and side panels are easily removable, simplifying installation and maintenance while keeping the build process hassle-free. Cooling is a standout feature. With mounting points for up to 10 120mm fans across the side, roof, and PSU areas, the 3500X ensures optimal airflow to keep high-performance components running efficiently. The included 3 RS120A RGB fans provide immediate cooling and visually appealing lighting, controllable via a standard +5 VA RGB header for seamless motherboard integration. This case is also versatile in motherboard compatibility, supporting everything from Mini IDX to EATX and even reverse connection motherboards like Asus BTF and MSI Project Zero, allowing clean cable management without obstructing the view. Overall, the 3500X blends style, cooling efficiency, and accessibility, offering a premium tempered glass case solution for builders seeking both performance and visual impact. Now our second product is Lian Li tempered glass PC cases. This PC case, developed in collaboration with PC Master Race, offers a striking blend of style, functionality, and innovative design tailored for enthusiasts. Its patented 3-panel tempered glass layout, covering the front, top, and left side, provides an uninterrupted, panoramic view of your components, turning any build into a showcase-worthy setup. The high-quality glass panels not only highlight the internal hardware but also ensure durability and scratch resistance for long-lasting aesthetics. Cooling and customization are well supported. A top mesh panel allows for the installation of a 360mm AIO, offering exceptional thermal management for high-performance systems. The case's design cleverly conceals AIO tubing within a secondary chamber when the AIO is mounted on the side, maintaining clean lines and minimizing visual clutter. Additionally, the case is compatible with back-connect motherboards, supporting advanced layouts and cable management for a tidy, professional-looking interior. The combination of tempered glass, smart airflow options, and hidden cable/tubing pathways ensures both beauty and efficiency. Overall, this case is ideal for PC builders seeking a premium, visually stunning chassis that balances performance, cooling, and aesthetic appeal. Our third product is Thermaltake tempered glass PC cases. This dual-chamber PC case offers a perfect balance of aesthetics, performance, and functionality, designed for enthusiasts seeking a premium build experience. Its pillarless front and side tempered glass panels provide a seamless, unobstructed view of internal components, turning any build into a visually striking showcase. The dual-chamber design not only enhances airflow but also allows for smart cable management, keeping the interior clean and organized for both aesthetics and functionality. Cooling is robust, with 4 pre-installed 120mm hydraulic-bearing RGB light fans that deliver effective airflow while adding dynamic, customizable lighting. The case supports large cooling solutions, accommodating radiators up to 360mm and graphics cards up to 415mm in length, ensuring compatibility with high-performance components. Connectivity is modern and versatile, featuring a Gen 2 USB 3.2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and HD audio, providing easy access for peripherals and audio devices. Compatibility with hidden connector motherboards allows for clean cable routing, preserving the pristine look of your build. Overall, this case combines striking tempered glass aesthetics, efficient cooling, and practical expansion options, making it ideal for gamers and PC builders who value both performance and style. Now number 4, Musetex tempered glass PC cases. The Musetex Y6 gaming PC case is a premium choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who value both aesthetics and functionality. Its high-end black matte texture, combined with 270 degrees fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels, offers a panoramic view of your internal components, from high-performance hardware to personal collectibles, making every build a visually stunning centerpiece. The tempered glass is durable, scratch-resistant, and adds a sound-insulating benefit, enhancing comfort during gaming or work sessions. Internally, the Y6 features a well-organized dual-chamber layout, maximizing space for mainstream hardware. It accommodates GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 176mm, top-mounted 360mm liquid cooling, and PSUs up to 200mm. Installation is convenient thanks to snap-on panels that require no tools, making DIY builds simple and enjoyable. Connectivity is modern and versatile, with USB 3.2 Type-C, USB 3.0, and additional ports for high-speed data transfer. Thermal performance is optimized with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, independent PSU ventilation, and magnetic dust filters. Overall, the Musetex Y6 blends elegance, practicality, and robust cooling, making it a standout ATX case for performance-driven builders. And our last choice is Kediers tempered glass PC cases. The Kediers K4 ATX PC case is a high-performance, visually striking option for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both style and functionality. Its 270 degrees panoramic mid-tower design, featuring fully tempered glass front and side panels with diamond-cut angles, delivers an unobstructed, elegant view of internal components. This design not only enhances aesthetics but also provides comfort and inspiration in both gaming and office environments. Cooling is robust, with 4 pre-installed 120mm fans, 3 intake and 1 exhaust, and support for up to 10 120mm fans and dual radiators. This ensures optimal airflow, keeping high-performance components cool even under heavy workloads. The dual-chamber layout and thoughtful fan placement further enhance thermal efficiency. Connectivity is versatile, featuring USB 3.0, USB Type-C, USB 2.0, HD audio, and dedicated buttons for power, reset, and LED control. The case supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, CPUs up to 175mm in height, GPUs up to 400mm, ATX power supplies up to 200mm, multiple SSD/HDD mounts, and 7 PCIe slots, offering exceptional expansion potential. Overall, the Kediers K4 combines panoramic design, superior cooling, and versatile expansion, making it ideal for both high-performance gaming and professional setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.